Hi friend, my name is Somnath Savka and today's video friend I am going to telling about my English journey. Okay friend, because I have been learning English from last 7 to 8 months ago and I took too much practice from myself. Also I written too many notes about the English content and that's content I prepare and then I speak little bit. Okay, let's see. You can see here is my notes from last 8 months when some basic sentences I wrote in it, and on that basis I practiced little bit. And then after what happened, I got one beautiful apps. Okay, that is the English speaking apps. It is also on available on Play Store. If you want to speak English, you can also download that apps, and that's through I practice too much. There are so many people I got and I spoke English with them. Even what happened someday, I was crazy about English and I was speaking English in whole day. Okay, and that's through I start practice slowly. And at a starting point, I was hesitating too much. Even I don't able to speak means some normal sentences. I was directly incorrect. Okay, means I can't able to speak. I was speaking randomly anything in my mind, but automatically what happened, I after 2 3 months I improve my English. I was making structure very well, and right now I am speaking right here you are listening. Okay, and I want to also make my English too much improve. I want to listen the some English languages. Okay, and like this means once we learn one language, we got the key of a learn language, then automatically another language will be easy for us. Like what how can means I want to say you ki if you want to learn English, you should be follow this first that apps, because without speaking we can't improve. Okay, this means first of all you start to speak with someone, also with yourselves, and also call. There is a randomly people you can speak anything. What happen if you start speaking with our neighbor people, that time you hesitate too much. Okay, that's why I am saying to you ki first of all download that apps and speak randomly anything in your mind. Okay, then automatically you will be improved. And after speaking you should focus on listening skill. Okay, you should be listen too much English content on YouTube. That will be too much help for you. Okay, because what happen, what more you will be listen, that much you will be speak. Okay, listening is most important things. If you want to become a good speaker, then first of all you should be listen, you should be become good listener. Okay, that's things matter too much for improve our English. Okay, randomly like this you should daily thinking in English. Thinking English is most important. You want to grow your English in short period, then you should think all day in English. Think in English means automatically your subconscious mind start work to speak in English. What happen when we don't quite, we have no one speak? Okay, that time in our mind our thinking is going on, but that thinking should be in English. Okay, because that will be help you too much to improve your English. Yeah friend, this is my some experience I shared with you, and like this I will be motivated for improve your English every day. Then let's subscribe my channel and share with your friends.